Hello and welcome to this tutorial series of Bash programming. In this entire tutorial, I'll be showing you some theory and lots of codes. I recommend that you should practice these on your own. Now let us begin with variables. Variables are of two kinds, system-defined variables and user-defined variables. System-defined variables are those which are created and maintained by the system. These are defined in uppercase letters by convention. Examples are home, username, and path. User defined variables are those which are created and maintained by the user, and by convention, these are defined in lowercase letters. Now, let us have a look at the rules for naming variables. Variable names must begin with an alphabet or underscore followed by any alphanumeric character, which means that the first letter in the variable name must contain an alphabet. It should not be a number or any special sign such as percentage, ampersand, etc. The first character can also be an underscore. There should be no special characters in the entire name of the variable. There should be no blank spaces on either side of the equal to sign. This is very important. Variable names are case sensitive. Now let us go to the terminal and let us have a look at some system defined variables first. Echo is a command which prints the argument that is passed to it. Let us print the username. Username here is I. The username is printed. Username is a system defined variable as I told you earlier, and we will talk more about what this dollar sign is very soon. Okay. Now let us again have a look at another system defined variables. Home. Let us look at the home directory, what is stored in this variable. Okay. Now let us create some variables, that is create some user defined variables. We are storing a value of 10 in the variable n. We can also store some string. Okay. The first character in the variable name must be an alphabet or underscore. Okay. There should be no special characters in the variable name or number in the first character. If I write a number, see what happens. It will give an error. Okay. And these variable names are case sensitive. Before having a look at that, let me show you how to access the variable names. Suppose we want to print the value of n. The value of n here is apple. If we write echo n, it will print n on the screen. But this is not what we wanted. We wanted the value apple to be printed. So in order to access the variable, you should precede the variable names with a dollar sign. Now see, apple is printed. And one more thing, that variable names are case sensitive. Orange. If I type n equal to orange, this is different from small n written in lowercase. Okay. Let me show you. For dollar n, it still prints apple, and echo dollar n, it prints orange. These two are different. Okay. One more important thing I have to show you. Let us have a look at the date command. The date command prints the present date on the screen. So if we want to uh, use this in a variable, how will we be doing it? Let us see. A equal to today is date. We what we want to do here, we are writing today is, and we want to print the date in this position. Let us see what happens when you do this. It just prints today is date, which is not what we wanted. In order to achieve our goal, we have to precede the date command in back quotes. Let's have a look. Today is date back quote. This back quote is present on your keyboard on top left corner below the escape button. Echo $A. Have a look. Today is and the date that was returned by the date command. So whenever you want to whenever you want to execute a command in a string, you should enclose it in backquotes. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. Thank you.